I'm so excited for this afternoon. Be at the moment, makinig po tayo ng mabuti kasi alam niyo po, itong pag-uusapan natin ay kakaiba. Lagi ko pong sinasabi po, ito'y isang hulog ng langit na nakakapanghinayang na palalagpasin po natin tong opportunity na to na hindi po natin siya bibigyan at tutuunan ng pansin. Nagbago na po ito sa buhay ng napakaraming tao. At malay nyo, kayo na po ang susunod. So ako, sobra po akong na-excite because I've been here in this industry for 15 years and this is the very, very first time na naka-engage ako sa isang platform na kakaiba. Sobrang kakaiba. Nakakakilabot yung pagiging kakaiba niya kasi sobrang nakaka-blessed. Alam niyo yung feeling ng blessed ka na alam mo na hindi lang ikaw ang nabe-blessed. Yung alam mo na ang dami-daming taong nabe-blessed. At yung blessings na yon, part ka doon kasi ikaw yung nagiging daluyan ng pagpapala sa buhay ng maraming tao. This is an extraordinary opportunity na pwede po kayong gawing extraordinary you. Okay po? So handa na po ba tayo? So welcome to our Live Good business presentation, the membership that pays. Okay. Sa pangalan pa lamang po, the membership that pays, kay Live Good ka lamang po ito narinig. Kakaiba to. Kaya is we say no agad nang hindi pa po natin completely na-understood kung ano po ba ito. Okay po? So, welcome to Live Good. So, sino po ba si Live Good? This is based in USA, Florida. Ang kagandahan po dito sa Live Good, makinig tayo mabuti, wala na pong quota. Wala pong auto-ship, walang points monitoring, no forced buying of products. You buy at need. Okay, hindi mo kailangan magtambak ng marami and no more overpricing of products. So nung nakita ko po ito, I just say, wow, this is amazing. This is a brilliant platform. At doon po ako nag-join ASAP. Unlike in my other companies for 15 years, talagang walang ganon at walang ganon. And Live Good, the membership that pays. Ano pa ang meron dito? We stay healthy at highly affordable wholesale price and match quality supplements. Full funnel marketing systems, tools, and trainings. Diyan po ako nag-sign up minuto lang nung nakita ko po yung plataforma ni Live Good. We are newly launched globally, so ibig sabihin you are pioneer. We have this simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan and a home-based business open in 200 plus countries. So ang gaganda po, kaya tuloy-tuloy lang po nating pag-aralan to. So ano po ang ginawa ni Live Good? He engaged into a subscription industry. So ano po ba ang kalagayan ngayon ng subscription industry? Boom. Okay po. I conducted my research na itong industriyang ito, nagkaroon po ito ng 300% increase in sales, no? So just take a look in the Zoom, no? Ito pong ginagamit nating platform ngayon na pumutok po ito ng panahon ng pandemic. It generated 2.65 billion annual revenue. So ibig sabihin may negosyo. Malaking negosyo ang meron po sa subscription industry. So dito sa Zoom, ano po ba ang subscription industry? Meaning to say, pag nagbabayad ka, active ka, makakagamit ka. Pero pag hindi, patay na, putol na. Okay. So what else, no? Ito pong Costco. Siya po ay wholesale company na kung saan you have the access to go into that shopping mall at mabibili po ang mga products doon at a wholesale price. Na dito, meron po siyang 107 card holders, 59 million member households with 88% worldwide renewal rate. So ibig sabihin yung demands, yung need ng mga tao mataas. And we have this 3.5 billion in membership fees. So yan po si Costco. So what else? Who else? Netflix. Ito pong Netflix na to, yan po yung kinagigiliwan ngayon ng mga may bahay na halos po ba may bahay ngayon, meron pong nagsusubscribe po sa Netflix. Na kung saan meron po itong 230.75 million subscribers na nag-generate po ito ng 31.6 billion US dollars annual revenue last 2022. So doon sa tatlong kumpanyang shinare ko po sa inyo, masasabi po natin talaga na ang industriyang ito ngayon ay pumuputok. At yun po ang maganda kay Live Good kasi inaral po nila ng mabuti ano po yung mga trends na nangyayari sa mundo. Okay, and we just tackled a while ago about change. Change is the only permanent in this world. At the change is really here. At dito po sa Live Good, ayan, they adapt the subscription industry. So what are the popular membership? Maliban doon sa mga sinabi ko. We have here the Amazon Prime, the Sam's Club, the Disney. Ito pong Costco, Netflix, binanggit ko na po yan kanina. Ngayon, itong mga kumpanyang ito, okay, meron po sila tinatawag na membership na you have to pay either on a monthly basis or an annual basis. As you can see on the screen, it varies, no? Pwedeng 9.99, okay, meron po ditong 19.99, depende po yun sa package na bibili natin. But you have options. Either you gonna pay on a monthly basis or you pay on an annual basis. So basically, these are the popular membership. And what else? This is the good news. Kasi si Live Good po, ulit-uli, ito po yung membership na nagbibigay ng sukli. Ayan, unlike in some other things and in some other company, wala pong balik dyan. So magsusubscribe ka lang, magbabayad ka lang, you enjoy the benefits, becoming a member. However, hanggang doon lang. Ang yayaman, ang may-ari lang, yung kumpanya lang. Dito po si Live Good, okay, we enjoy into a membership, we join into a club membership, however, it will generate a revenue. So maganda po ba? Palakpakan naman po natin si Live Good. Ayan po. So like Amazon, si Amazon po, ganun din po ang ginawa ni Live Good, na kung saan, nung 1995, July 16, nag-start po siya sa online of bookseller. So, however, by the year 2000, early 2000, nag-expand na po si Amazon. It went well beyond books, videos, music, offering clothings, electronics, toys, kitchenwares, even magazine subscriptions, and a lot more. So, kung mapapansin po natin ang Amazon, it's one of the biggest online store, okay, in the world. At dito po sa Pilipinas, ang pinakasikat, yan po yung Shopee, yan po yung Lazada. So ganun po nag-umpisa, hindi muna madami. At same thing with this, si Live Good, ganun din po. Nilaunch tayo globally last December 13, 2022 with its business of membership that pays. Okay. So again and again, open po tayo in 200 plus countries. Now, si Live Good, nag-umpisa po siya sa mga high quality, very affordable, natural products. However, si Live Good hindi lang po nag-revolutionize sa industriyang ito. It even evolutionized the industry. So what is the meaning of that? Because time will come, Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. According to Ben Glinsky, listen carefully, we will be having more than 200 plus product lines in the back office of Live Good. Because according to Live Good, we are the next Amazon of network marketing industry. Wow, palakpakan nyo natin. Alam nyo, nung narinig ko po ito, congratulations to myself for joining this such an amazing opportunity. And now, the reason behind the success of Live Good, syempre nakaka-proud kong ipakilala sa inyo. Ito pong masasabi kong napaka-hands-on, napaka-humble, napakabait, low profile na tao, our CEO, Ben Glinsky. So with over 20 years of experience of owning and running some of the most successful companies in nutritional supplements, Ben knows how to help people win. Napakaganda pong misyon, ay napakaganda pong katangian ng isa pong CEO. And by the way, because of that, kaya meron po siyang ganong katangian. Kasi si Ben po, by the way, isa po siyang network marketer. And because of that, since alam niya yung mga paghihirap, inaral niya ng mabuti. At ang nakakatuwa, kung pakikinggan po natin ng mabuti ang ating pong presentations, doon niyo po masasabi talaga na, wow, kaya pala gusto niyang ang magwagi, hindi lang ang kumpanya niya, kundi inahati ng higit pa sa malaki papunta balik sa atin. So palikpakan naman po natin si Live Good. This company is very successful because of the tandem, because of the unity, because of the teamwork of these top people that leads in the corporate team. We have here the Director of Product Development, Ryan Goodkins, and the wife, Director of Product Education, Lisa Goodkins, and the Director of Network Marketing, no other than Noder Kazan. The mission of Live Good, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So ano tong nakikita natin sa screen? This is the famous story of David and Goliath. Di ba alam na po natin na pinatay ni David sa Goliath? Live Good po is David, okay po, na kung saan, sorry po to say this, marami pong mga price gouging MLM ngayon. Price gouging MLMs ang tinatamaan. Ouch! Ouch! Aray! Tabi-tabi po. Pero sabi nga po, change is inevitable. Whether we like it or not, change really will happen. Nasa sa atin ngayon yon kung mag-a-adapt tayo ng change. So, at ano po ang sabi ni Noder Kazan, the Director of Network Marketing? The days of selling highly overpriced products so that the few people on top of the compensation plan can get rich are over. Presyong abot kaya. Tingnan po natin kung paano binaliktad ni Live Good ang industriyang ito. Grabe, nakakatuwa, nakaka-proud. Okay, let's proceed. Ang tanong dito, ano yung mga produkto ni Live Good? Sa ngayon po, meron po tayong 16 product lines in the back office na kung saan these are all made in USA. Alam na po natin yan, ano? Pag sinabing made in USA, imported yan, di ba? Approved by GMP. Sa mga nakakaalam po ano pong ibig sabihin ng GMP, grabe po yan. Mahirap pong makakuha ng approval dyan. And all the products that we have are all laboratory tested for its purity and potency. So, apart from that, all the product lines of Live Good, lahat po yan mga natural, lahat po yan mga organics, at yan po ay merong certificate of analysis. Kaya hindi po tayo dito matatakot na inumin mo man yan because these are purely natural. How do I order the products? We have two options. Number one, it's either you order as a consumer or you order as a member. So, for consumers, pag halimbawa we just want to be a consumer, you pay it at a retail low price. So retail price siya pero mababa. Kaso nga lang pag nagpa-member po tayo, we pay it at a much lower prices as members. Okay. So, how to become a member? Ano ang benefits? Once we become a member of Live Good, listen carefully on this, no? We save up to 75% compared to products in other network marketing companies. Ito lang po yun. Saan ka bibili? Sa mahal or sa mura? Alam ko po ang sagot nyo. Doon po tayo sa mura. At yun po ay si Live Good. So para makita po natin yan, to vouch on what Live Good is saying, ito pong ating CBD oil, no? It only cost $18 na ang kanya pong size is 750 ml. So kumpara mo naman sa kalaban, it's around $89.99. Nakatipid ka ng 79%. Others are $79.95. And by the way, ang ating pong CBD oil is one of the best kind of CBD. So I have here mine and I could say ang laking tulong nito kasi bago lang po recently last Monday I think kabubunot ng ipin ko. I thought na hindi ako makakapagsalita but right away on the following day ni walang antibiotics, ito lang po ang inilagay ko at yung dati kong products ang bilis po ng heal ng wounds. Ayan. So what about Super Greens? Ang Super Greens isa po yan sa pinakamalupit nating products. Lahat na ng klaseng greens nanduroon. At mabibili mo yan ng napakamurang halaga. $18. $18. Wow. Pero sa mga ibang product lines, sa ibang company, ayan, Athletic Greens, $99.99. Ang laking tipid mo, 81%. Yung iba na po, Organifi, that's 74% lesser than the Super Greens. So, ngayon, obviously, alam na po natin, no? Ano ang klase ng mga produkto, anong presyo meron po si Live Good. Now, pag-usapan po natin, ano ang pagkakaiba ngayon sa members price at saka sa retail price. Ngayon, ito pong multivitamins women with with iron, members price is $9.95. Retail price is $17.95. Same thing also with men. So you can see on the board, on the screen, almost 50% po ang retail profit. So what about this mushroom coffee? Ang sarap-sarap po niyan, aromatic po yan, kaya ang bilis po maubos niyan. It's one of my favorite na isisip ko po every morning. So $17.95, $28.95 ang retail price. What about this protein? This protein, ang sarap-sarap po nito, grabe. Parang nagme-milkshake, lalong lang ilagay mo yan sa malamig na tubig na with yellow. That's it. So $22, pag binenta mo po, $34. So we just give you a little bit of idea on the pricing system of Live Good. So yan po, no? Ngayon, next question is, how to become a member? It's so easy. You just go to the person who invited you, hingin niyo po ang kanya pong sponsors link. And if you want to become a member, magbabayad lang po tayo ng $9.95 to become a Live Good member. At dyan po, makakabili ka na ng mga produkto at a wholesale price, members price. Ibig sabihin po ng wholesale price, kahit bumili ka lang po ng isang piraso, hindi kailangan bulto-bulto ang presyong ibibigay sa iyo ni Live Good pang wholesale. Yun po yung benefit na meron ka becoming a member of Live Good. Are you with me? So, and then, you got to stay active by paying your monthly membership. That's it. So now, here is the question. Would you like to earn up to $2,000 per month or more in a month? Gusto ba natin kumita nun? Okay. So para dun sa mga interesado, stay po tayo. Stay po tayo, no? Kasi nandito na po tayo sa second part of the presentations. Ayan. So, Live Good Affiliates. Ano ba yung Live Good Affiliates na yan? Dito po, once you become an affiliate member of Live Good, we also give you the opportunity to earn extra income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Yes, the most exciting compensation plan in the planet. Okay, to become an affiliate member, register. Ganon din sa kanina, no? Register with your sponsors link, yung nag-invite po sa inyo. At magbabayad po tayo ng one-time pay of $40 na kung saan meron po tayo dyang business center. Sa dati kong company, meron po kaming annual renewal rates. Renewal na babayaran nyo po. Na pag hindi ka nagbayad ng certain renewal na $25 or more, wala na, hindi mo na ma-access yung back office mo. Dito sa Live Good, one time ka lang magbabayad. At magbabayad lang po tayo ng $9.95 per month. Yun na. Pasok na, affiliate member na po tayo. Ngayon, what do I get with $49.95? Remember, $9.95 as a member, $40 to become an affiliate. Affiliate member, total of $49.95. Are you with me? So, you have now the access to the membership club, and then bibigyan po tayo dito ng digital marketing products. Again and again, yung membership club, ano nga uli yun? Yung mga produktong bibilhin po natin, yan ay ibibigay sa atin at a wholesale price na nakakatipid po tayo ng 75% compared to products out in the market. Okay, so digital marketing products, meron po tayo ditong 3. Grabe, napaka more than value for money po itong si Live Good. Why? Number 1, you will be given a replicated website, the back office. Our back office is one of the very, very user-friendly. Okay po, na kung saan username, password nandiyan po, everything ma-access nyo po. Yung income mo, yung mga taong nanduroon, andyan po yan. And then you will be given a retail site store. Spread mo yung inyong replicated website in 200 plus countries. Tayo po mga Pinoy, nakakalat po tayo in 120 plus countries because there are around 12 million Filipinos scattered around the world. So why not take the advantage, the opportunity to share it to your friends, relative abroad, na pwede po silang mag-sign up, okay? Pwede po silang bumili ng produkto to try out. The product will be delivered right at the doorsteps of your client, na hindi na po tayo nagkakatok-katok. Wala na po yung traditional way kasi nandito na po tayo sa digital era. Ito na po yung panahon ng evolutions. Nandito na po tayo sa online or e-commerce system. Hello? Okay, and number 3, we will be given the most powerful marketing tools na Power Landing Page or the sponsors link. Isipin mo, meron ka nun 3 sa halagang $40. At dyan po ako nag-sign up na minuto lang nung nakita ko po yung landing page, I sign up because I got amazed. Dahil doong panahon ng pandemic, yung quotation sa akin, libo-libo. Pero sa Live Good, yan ay kasama sa package na papasukin mo. But wait, there's more. Because once you pay the $49.95, you participate in the compensation plan. And again, Live Good is the membership that pays. Okay. So, paano po yung structure ng compensation plan dito sa Live Good? We are powered and backed up by 2 kinds of structure here in Live Good. We have the powerful uni-level, infinite wide 10th level dip, and we have a forced matrix 2x15 15th levels dip. Hello? Are you with me? Nasundan po natin yon. So paano po nangyayari yan? Dito po sa first structure, kung titingnan po natin itong mabuti, this is infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, unlimited. We can get as many people as we can. At a substance, kung titingnan lang po natin yan, grabe no? You can enroll as many as you can. Maubos man yung mga kakilala mo, marami ka pang hindi kakilala. At ang nakakatuwa, yung kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala ng kakilala mo, meron tayong overriding income doon up to the 10th level. And what about the forced matrix? Ito po yung klase ng structure na kung saan kahit hindi ka nag-enroll ng kahit isang tao, mababatuhan ka kasi meron po dito tinatawag na automatic spillover. Kaya dito sa Live Good, 2 klaseng tao papalo ka. Number 1, you could be a spill waiter or you could be a spill creator. Mamimili na lamang po tayo kung saan tayo doon. Magkikreate tayo ng now income o magkikreate ka ng future income. So, clear. So let's tackle on the 7 ways to earn with Live Good. We have here the weekly fast start, retail commissions, influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. So yan po, no? Papalo po yan dyan sa uni-level, infinite wide. Okay po. So dito naman sa matrix commissions, ito po yung 2x15 forced matrix na kung saan ito pong matching bonuses, kaya nilagay po yan dyan sa gitna kasi magmamatch ka sa matrix commissions. Magmamatch ka sa weekly fast start. Magmamatch ka sa retail commissions. Hello? Are you with me? Ganun po kaganda ang compensation plan ni Live Good. So let us proceed. So dito po, sa 7 ways to earn, we will focus on the 4 bonuses. 4 lang po ang pag-uusapan natin. Dito po sa 4 na to, sapat na yan para i-run natin ang negosyo natin ng todo-todo. Number 1 is the weekly fast start bonus. Number 2 is matrix commission. Number 3 is matching bonuses. And number 4 is the diamond bonus pool. So isa-isahin po natin ito. Okay. Dito po sa weekly fast start commissions, just on the title itself, no, it represents, it tells us na on a weekly basis, meron po tayong income. Saan po nanggagaling? Ang sabi po dito, for each person who refer to Live Good, yung sumali po sa Live Good, ay meron po tayong ibibigay who joined Live Good, na nagbayad po ng $49.95, company will reward you an amount of $25 commissions to be paid out next week. Bukas po ng 3:00 ng hapon, cut off po ni Live Good. At next week, Thursday night, sisweldohin nyo po yung trinabaho nyo hanggang bukas. Mamayang gabi, maya-maya lang, no? Minuminuto lang, no? Mga before 12 o'clock, sisweldo na po tayo sa mga members po ni Live Good. Linggo-linggo may kita, hindi pa abos yung kita. Last week, kita na naman, income na naman. Are you with me? So ganun po yung weekly fast start commissions. At dito po, since sinabi po natin kanina na sa weekly fast start commissions, the infinite wide, uni-level 10th dip, ayan po, no? Yan yung level natin. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hanggang 10. Ngayon, mamamaximize natin itong 10th level dip depending upon on the ranks. Kaya, listen carefully, kasi may kinalaman ang ranggo mo, okay, may kinalaman ang ranggo mo doon sa kikitain po natin. Hello? The income is proportionate to your rank. You will better focus on the rank. So, like for example, unrank. Ang unrank hanggang first level lang. Sino ba si unrank? Yung wala pang ginawa, mag-i-enroll pa lang. Okay? Magkano ma-earn? 50%. So, $25. Pag nag-bronze na, hanggang second level na yon, may dagdag na 10%. So, magiging 50, 25 sa second level. Ibig sabihin, yung in-enroll mo, meron kang $5. Sa silver, bababa siya hanggang 4th level. Pag gold, hanggang 6th level. So, tingnan po natin na mabuti, no? Sa silver, anong ginawa ni Live Good? Nagdagdag siya ng, di ba, 50%, dinagdagan ng 10, 5. So, magkano na yan? 70%. Pag naging gold po tayo, bababa yan hanggang 6th level. Isipin nyo, dinagdagan na naman tayo ng 75% all in all. Pag naging platinum, naging 78% hanggang 8th level. At pag nag-diamond, 10th level, 80% ibinalik ni Live Good sa atin. Palakpakan nyo naman po si Live Good. So nagkaroon po tayo ng weekly fast start income not on the first level alone. Kumbaga, binigyan po tayo ng income hanggang doon sa 10th level. Hello? Ngayon, since may kinalaman si rank doon sa income, we better discuss paano ba yan mag-bronze? Paano ba mag-silver? Take a look on this muna, no? Napakaganda po ba? Again, ano nga uli yun? $25 bonus on every referral na walang auto ship, walang quota, walang volume requirements. What? Yeah. Grabe, no? $25 bonuses. Kaya nga sabi ni Ben Glinsky, this is the best. Ito yung pinakamadali na negosyo na papasukin natin na walang aray. Kasi $49.95, 2,850 pesos to 3,000 pesos, depende sa ginamit mo, depende sa conversion rate mo, depende sa credit card. Kung nag-crypto ka, mas mataas kasi mas volatile po si crypto. Are you with me? Magkaroon ka lang po ng debit card, mag-apply po kayo ng GoTime, ng Maya. Mag-open po kayo sa Union Banks. Pag hindi, lumapit pa kayo sa apply nyo, baka matulungan po kayo sa mga credit wallets or cryptos. Hello? Walang quota. Kalahati balik uli sa'yo. Sa dati kong company, I have to sell worth of 15,000 to 18,000 pesos for me to get $25 commissions. Sa Live Good, magkano? $49.95. Kaya napaka-imposibleng hindi po natin to kayang gawin. Walang auto ship, walang quota, walang volume requirements. Paano kung nakapag-refer ka ng 10 tao, meron kang $250? Paano kung tinarget mo this week may 10 ka, the next week $250? Paano kung ang target mo 10 kada linggo? Hello? You can refer unlimited directs. Now, pag unranked, syempre hanggang first level lang. $25 lang po yan, first level. Pero kung tayo ay nag-bronze, paano mag-bronze? Alam nyo, ang dali. A and B, 2 tao lang. Nanay mo, tatay mo. Nanay mo, tatay mo. Bronze ka na. At pag nag-bronze ka na, ang nakakatuwa, hindi lang $25 ang kikitain mo. Pag yung nanay mo at tatay mo nag-enroll, meron ka pa ring $5 kasi 10% ang kikitain mo sa second level. Paano naman kung nag-silver ka? Hanggang 4th level, babayaran tayo ni Live Good. How much is that? And how to become silver? It's so easy. Meron po tayong 3 kaparaanan. Hello, are you with me? Para mag-silver, madali lang. Mag-enroll po kayo ng 20 directs. 20 directs. Silver ka na. Kayang-kaya po yan. I become silver in 1 day and a half. Ito po ang ginawa ko, 10 directs with a total of 20 team members. Or pwede ka mag-silver, 3 bronze in 3 different legs. Not necessarily your directs. Basta doon sa 3 leg mo, iba-ibang leg, pwede po nang galing sa enrollee mo na yan. Na umabot po kayo ng total na 20 team. Dito, maximize mo ang uni-level income mo up to the 4th level. Are you with me? Ngayon, kung tayo ay gusto talaga nating ma-maximize ang opportunity ni Live Good, tititigan mo lang yung mga taong lumalaki? You better maximize, no? Huwag mong hayaan, lalong-lalo na po pag nakapag-start ka na. Alam niyo po ba dito, minsan bubulusok yung grupo mo, yung in-enroll mo, hindi mo alam kung sino yung natap niya. Yung pala, yung natap mo, mga giants pala yon. Hello? Kagaya ng nangyayari sa organizations ko, it's already 9,500 plus. Hello? Woohoo! Paano kung maging gold? Up to the 6th level na po. Paano nga si gold? Umaabot na po tayo dyan ng 75%. So dito, para maging gold, 30 directs with total of 100 or 3 silver in 3 different legs, total of 100. So yung 100, yung po yung common denominator. Yung numerator, okay, iba-iba po ang pag-qualify natin dyan. Pwede naman po 30, 30, 30 plus 10. Okay po, with a total of 100 members. That's how easy to become gold. At para maging platinum, up to the 8th level, 78% na po yan. Para maging platinum, 100 directs. Yan po ang ginawa ko, 38 days. So with a total of 500 total team, meron kang 3 golds in 3 different legs, the second options, with a total of 500 total team. Or the third one, 150, 150, 150, plus a combination of all the legs that you have. So pagpalagay po natin, bibigyan ko po kayo ng idea. Ito pong 150, 150, 150 na yan, may mga pagkakataon na yung isang leg aabot po yan ng 5,000 o kaya 1,000. Ang bibilangin lang po ni Live Good dyan, 150 lang. It does not necessarily mean na ang team mo ay umabot na ng 500, platinum ka na. No. Ang bibilangin lang po dyan is 150. Go to the next uli, 150. Go to the next uli, 150. Kahit walang gold, pag dito ka pumalo, platinum ka pa rin. So don't mislead. There are 3 ways to hit silver, bronze, platinums. And to become diamond, there are 2 ways, no? Up to the 10th level, 80% na po ang ating ma-overrides po dyan. Paano mag-diamond? 2,500 ang total team. Hello? Are you with me? Am I talking so fast? 3 platinums po in 3 different legs. What Live Good is showing to us, pinakikita sa atin, yan yung future na nag-aantay po sa atin. Are you with me? So that is the weekly fast start commissions. Na kung saan may kinalaman ang ranggo mo sa kikitain mo. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo ang opportunity ng Live Good, you better focus on the ranking promotions. Kung seryoso ka na maabot ang mga pangarap mo, be very, very, very particular on your rank promotions. So let's now go to the next, matrix commissions. Si matrix commissions is 2/15, no? Forced matrix na dito naman po, kanina sa weekly fast start, wala kang kikitain kung hindi ka nag-enroll. Sa matrix commissions, meron kang kikitain kahit hindi ka nag-enroll. Bakit? Kasi andito ka, kung nauna kang sumali, pwede kang malagyan agad ng spillover ng upline mo. At ang nakakatuwa dyan, okay, lahat ng tao na nasa ibaba mo up to the 15th level, depending upon on your ranks, na nagbabayad ng $9.95, babayaran tayo ng 25 cents dollar ni Live Good. Kaya the sooner you lock in your position, the more chances you will be given a so-called spillover. So, to clearly understood, ikaw po ito, lahat ng taong nandyan sa baba na nagbayad ng 9.95, 25 cents dollar ay iyo. So, uulitin ko uli, ganito po yun sa matrix commission. Ito yung level natin, 1 to 15. Kasi kanina hanggang 10th level. Dito po hanggang 15th level. Kaya nga 2/15 matrix. Na kung saan, depende sa ranggo mo na naman, unranked, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond. Yung level natin, may kinalaman sa rank na naman uli. Pag unrank ka, meaning to say, wala ka talagang in-enroll. Kahit isa. Hanggang 12th level, babayaran tayo ni Libgood. So pagpalagay natin, nabatuhan ka, yung mga taong nalaglag sa'yo, may 25 cents ng 25 cents ka. Pag napuno yan ay pwede kang kumita ng $2,047 from the people na na-spill over sa genealogy mo. Pag ikaw naman po ay bronze, silver, okay, we tackle already about the ranking positions. You could earn up to the 13th level, pwede kang kumita ng potential income, $4,095. Gold, platinum, okay, up to the 14th level, that is $8,191. At pag tayo po ay naging diamond, that is up to the 15th level, a potential income ng $16,383.5. Sinasabi ko po sa inyo yung word na potential, the possibility pag napuno po yung matrix. I'm not telling it as a guarantee. The potential, pwede pong mangyari. Now, tingnan po natin paano nag-work po ito. Alam niyo po ba na bakit po ako na-attract sa network marketing scheme, no? Bakit ako nag-join dito? Nung naintindihan ko po yung salitang leverage, na kung saan yung leveraging pala, it's all about duplication. It's all about exponential growth. Na yung isang sarili mo, padadamihin yan. Like for example, on level 1, nag-start ka, you will always start with one person and you have to add another one person. So from the two persons that you are going to teach them to duplicate, to do the same thing you did, yung 2 will becomes 4, the 4 becomes 8, 16, 32, 64, 128, 256, 512, 1,024, 2,048, 4,096, 8,192, 16,384, 32,768. The total on the 15th level, don't you know how many is that? That's 65,536 people na kung saan babayaran ka ng 0.25 cents. You multiply it. 65,536 times 0.25, the potential income is 16,383.5. Ngayon, matching bonus generation dip. So, yung pinakita ko po kanina sa inyong matrix commissions, sobrang klarado, no? Na grabe. Yung future income natin pwedeng maging immediate. Nung sumali po ako sa Libgood, nung naintindihan ko po ito, isinalang ko po yung 5 ko pong anak. Sinali ko pa nga yung mga ate ko eh. Hello! Nandun sila. Nag-bronze lang yung mga anak ko, pero ngayon, I am engaging them to be serious in this business. Bronze pa lang sila, pero meron na silang $300+, $100+. Bakit? Totoo kasi ang matrix. Meron akong best friend, no? Kauna-unahang sumali. Nag-yes agad sa akin kahit hindi nauunawaan. Basta, trust lang siya. Alam mo kung ano ngayon ang matrix income niya? $400 on his 3rd matrix commissions. Totoo ang matrix. Number 3, 1 and 2, sa pool. Now income, future income. Pero itong pangatlong to, hindi ako nakatulog. Kasi yung matching bonus, malupit. Meron pa siyang 5 generation dip. Ito po yung pinaka-best sa lahat. Tingnan niyo pong mabuti. Dito po, sa lahat ng directs mo, meron kang 50% sa matrix commissions na mga directs mo. Pagpalagay natin, yung direct mo, meron siyang $1,000. Meron po kayo dyan $500, 50%. Yung pangalawa, $500, meron po tayo dyan $250 and so on and so forth. Ang maganda po dito, infinite wide. So yung laki ng matching bonus natin, depende ngayon sa dami ng personal enrollee natin. Sa laki ng kinikita ng mga directs natin. Wait, there's more. Meron pa siyang tinatawag na 5 generation dip na sobrang nakakawindang nung pinaliwanag kanina dun sa video. Kahit nga si Sir Ben Glinsky, nangingiti siya eh. Natatawa siya doon sa confusing computations of the 5 generation dip. Sa direct mo may 50% ka, meron kang first generation silver, 10%, gold, 5%, 3%, 5%, depende ngayon sa ranggo mo. Nakikita lang ni Libgood on how generous the company is. Kaya yung sinasabi po kay Ben Glinsky, Ben knows how to help people win. Lagay po natin meron kang 10 directs. 10 yung team nun. Para madali lang makompute, 100 ang matrix, 50% nun, babalik sa'yo. So yung $50 times 10, meron kang $500 ngayon on your first level directs. So ipagpalagay natin, meron tayong 6th generation silver, meaning to say meron dyang 10 silvers na ang kanya pong team ay 100, may matrix income na $100 for easy computation, 10% ang second level generation, silver generation, sa 100, that is $1,000. And the same computation follows, so on and so forth, depending upon on your rank. So matching bonus, 5 generation deep. So ito po, napakalaki po nito. You observe your matrix. Isa, $152. Sumunod, pumalo ng $800 plus. Sumunod, $1,600 plus. Sumunod, almost $3,000. Ano ba yun? Diba? Nakakatuwa. Nagmumultiply. Silip good. Yung kita mo ng monthly basis, di na bababa. Paakyat ng paakyat ng paakyat. Anong tawag doon? Paangat ng paangat ng paangat. Paano naman kung halimbawa yung matching bonus mo nag-bronze ka na sinama mo ang nanay-tatay mo? Eh kumita ka ng $4,095, yung nanay-tatay mo $2,047, may 50% ka sa kanila, kikita ka pa rin ng tigwa 1,000 plus, total income yung mag-anak 10,238. So magkano ang future income? Eh di more than $500,000. That's how simple it is. Anong ginawa? Family of bronze. Huwag kang sasali ng ikaw lang. Idamay mo ang pamilya mo. So what about we have 20 directs na kumikita ng mga unranked, $2,000, kalahati nun sa'yo, edi meron kang 20,475. Magkano yun sa peso? Most likely 1.1 million pesos. Good enough? So we just play with numbers. Let us just be motivated by numbers. Eh paano kung meron kang 30 directs? 30 directs na kumikita po sila ng $6,000. Kalahati sa'yo, edi meron kang $90,000. How much is that? That's 5 million. Kung ganito lang naman tayo i-reward ni Live Good, yakang-yaka po natin yan. Palakbakan natin si Live Good. So sa laki ng nakikita po natin dito, lahat ng mga patay na pangarap, bubuhayin talaga ni Live Good. Once we become diamond, 2% ng kita ng buong mundo, paghahati-hatian equally ng mga qualified diamond on that particular month. Yung ating crown diamond, yung unang profit sharing niya, $38,000. That's how lucrative Live Good is. So with that, I hope na naintindihan po natin the 4 income, the 4 ways to earn in Live Good. Saka na lang po natin aralin yung 3. Sa 4 pa lang, sapul-sapul na po tayo. Siguro ang tanong nyo, paano? Anong pwedeng gawin? Alam nyo, I would like to inculcate into your minds the word strategy. And this is what we're gonna do. The power of 2, enrolling 2 personal directs per week, huge po ang nag-aantay sa atin. Tingnan mo tong mabuti ha. Ikaw yan, ikaw yan. Ngayon, on your first week, nag-enroll ka ng 2. May question, kaya ba natin gawin yung 2? Yung 2 na yan, yan yung magic move mo. That's your magic stepping stone for you to maximize the matrix. Na kung saan yung 2 mo, tuturuan mo lang, kumuha din ng 2 sa unang linggo nila. So anong programa? Go for bronze on your first week. At ituro mo ng ituro mo ng ituro mo ng ituro mo hanggang sa baba na mag-go bronze for the first week. Naka-align po tayong lahat. Pero kung ito, siseryosohin po natin, lahat ng nandirito sa Zoom na to, I gonna ask you a question. Is it doable? Is it achievable? Is it attainable? 2 tao, go for bronze in your first week. Kasi, yung power of 2, it works. 2 becomes 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 126. Diba? 2048. Ayan po, oh. Ayan, oh. Lahat po yan, oh. Kikita down the line. Ito po ang ihahabiling ko po sa inyo. Sa nakita nyo po, Nag-come out po tayo. Go for bronze on your first week. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. I hope na we will memorize this tagline by heart. How does the matrix work? So sa mga guest po namin ngayon, you just go to the person who invited you. Okay, pre-enroll po tayo. Wala pong bayad yon. Okay, for a free temporary positions, the sooner you pre-enroll at nagbayad ka ng Friday before 3 o'clock, you will be placed immediately on the matrix of your upline. What is the good news? We're still the pioneers because according to Live Good, 300,000 to 1 million po ang papasok ng December 22 to 2023. It's time to create an urgency. You grab the opportunity kasi minsan lang dumadaan yung opportunity na yan at mahirap magsisi because time is gold. Now, maganda po bang napakinggan? I want to show you some people na nakapagpa-inspire po sa atin. My enroller, Coach Fernan Santiago, the first diamond in the Philippines, he's there, oh. Understated na nga po yan eh. Why? It's more than that. So what about Tim Miller? A homeless 6 months ago, super broke, kahit cellphone wala. Pero ngayon, nasa more than $300,000+ member na po. Ngayon, so what about Jessie Garcia, the upline of Coach Fernan in Chicago, Illinois? Yung mga figures na nakikita natin on screen, would it matter to us? Would it inspire us? So sobra po ako na-inspire. Kaya nakakatuwa po. Dahil ito lang po yun. Nagawa nila. Ibig sabihin, magagawa natin. Okay, so top 4 reasons why you are going to join us. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. Pioneer pa po tayo. Number 2, we have these high quality products, very affordable health products. Isipin mo, magpapaka-healthy tayo, hahaba ang buhay natin, may enjoy natin ang mga kapirahan natin sa Live Good. Kasi papamperin mo yung sarili mo, laklak ka lahat ng products sa Live Good. Ewan ko na lang. Okay, number 3, marketing system, tools, and training. Napakaganda po, full funnel systems po tayo. One of the best pay plan ever. Okay? So number 4, a simple, powerful, lucrative pay plan. Alam niyo po itong top 4 reasons. Few reasons lang po ito bakit po tayo sasama sa Live Good. Hindi ko na po lalahatin. Pero dito po sa top 4 reasons na to, this is more than enough for us to make a brilliant decision to create urgency and join Live Good now. Okay po. So kaya maraming salamat po sa ating pong mga guests at sa mga leaders na nandito po at nakinig po ng amazing opportunity. And here is now my question. Are you A, B, or C? A, I want to become an affiliate member at magbayad ka ng $49.95, or you want to become B na gusto mo lang maging member, babayad ka lang ng $9.95, or you want just to become a retailer. Bebentahan ka na lang po namin. So mamili po tayo, A, B, or C. Can you please type your answer on the chat box? So disclaimer lang po tayo sa lahat ng akin pong mga binanggit. The information contained herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or a medical advice. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only as reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing.